Hi guys, welcome to today's video. So as you can tell, I have a couple of guests.
Yay!
What are your names, boys?
Grayson and Parker.
Grayson and Parker. Yes, these are my boys. Grayson is, how old are you?
4.
And Parker is?
2.
2, that's right. And today they're gonna be putting on my makeup. So if you'd like to see what beautiful creations they come up with, please keep watching. So yeah, so to start we're gonna do some primer.
Open?
Yep, it's open. Here, take a little bit in your hand. Okay, now put it on Mama's face. Go ahead.
Put it on your primer. I'll put it on primer.
Can you see it? So now we're gonna go in and we're gonna do a little concealer. Oh, I think Parker might be priming my lids already. Do you know where the dark circles come from?
Where?
Probably you guys. You guys make me tired, right?
Yep.
Okay, go ahead, push it in. Yep, Parker knows what's up. Yeah.
Hey, your turn, Mommy.
Oh, it's my turn?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
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 Go over your face, Mama.
Oh, thanks, Grayson.
That's good.
That's what? Oh,
What's that?
powder. Oh,
Hold on.
thank you. Okay, so now what do we want to do? Do we want to do some contour?
Yep. Yeah. I love my powder.
You love Mommy's powders?
Yeah.
We're using my new favorite contour palette, the
We're gonna
Profusion
do-
one.
Now
Oh.
we have to do this one.
Oh. All right.
Now this
Okay.
one.
All right, and then I think we're all done because we're. Oh, you want me to? Okay.
Okay, now this one.
Okay.
Okay, all done.
All done.
Put this back.
Okay.
Okay.
There's powder everywhere. This is the bronzer, and you guys. Is that cool?
Yep.
Smell it.
I want to smell it.
Oh, does it smell good?
Yeah.
What does it smell like?
Cherry. Cherry.
It smells like cherry?
Yeah.
It smells like vacation to me.
Vacation.
Yeah.
My turn?
Oh, this is beautiful.
I want Mommy's makeup. Woo!
Whoa! Okay, now
Okay.
and then you're gonna flip it around. Why don't you do this one? That way Parker can do this one a little easier. There we go.
I'm not there.
I know, it's so exciting. Oh, you guys are doing such a good job sharing. Oh, that's my eyeball. Go up here. Good job. Okay, now flip it around.
Now what?
That's a high eyebrow. Okay.
You like that?
I love it. Do you like it?
Yep. Okay. Now what?
Is it fun?
Yeah. Now what?
Okay, now you guys can do some eyeshadow.
Yay!
Okay, you guys, this is gonna be.
I smell it.
You wanna smell it?
Yep.
You and your brother, huh?
Woo! Yummy.
Yummy. So
one.
this is gonna be a pretty bright eye look. What do you guys think?
But could we do all the colors?
You love doing all the colors, don't you?
Yep. How about Parker does this one and I do the top?
Okay, cool.
I'll do this one.
So you're gonna do the bottom row and Grayson's gonna do the top row?
Okay, now I need the blue. Now I need purple. I want purple. Buddy, do the pink.
Oh wow, you're really doing a good job getting right in that crease area, Grayson.
One more.
One more.
Pink, and now this.
What would you call that color?
Blue.
Blue?
Something. It's
Teal?
yellow. No, it's good job. Green.
Oh.
It's green. Buddy. One.
Ow.
Okay.
I'm okay. Thanks for asking.
Mommy, I'll do mascara. Mommy, I want to do mascara.
You want to do mascara?
Yeah. And then we're going to do the eyeliner.
If you want to do eyeliner, eyeliner's first.
I'll do
You
eyeliner.
want to smell it? Okay, don't get, it's gonna, okay. Does it smell like anything?
Yep.
What does it smell like?
I don't know. Eyeliner!
Okay, so this, you have to be really careful, okay? Don't push hard. Be very gentle when you put it on Mommy's eye, okay? Can you be gentle?
Okay. Yes.
Okay, you do this eye. Oh my God.
I'll do this. I just did a dot.
Okay.
I just did a dot. Parker didn't do a dot.
What did Parker do? Here.
Like this. Okay. It's Mommy. I like it.
You like this one, the eyeliner?
Yeah.
All right, so should we do mascara now?
Yep.
Okay.
I just did a dot like eye.
You just did a dot like on an eye?
Yeah. Ah.
Okay, I'm scared. Okay.
Stop it, buddy. I'm the best.
You want to do blush?
Yeah. Best.
Blush. Parker is into this. Okay, put it on Mama's cheek. Mommy's cheek.
I want one. Hey, kid. It's her go date. It's her turn. I just did that.
Yeah.
It's because.
You want me to blow on it? Okay, I'm gonna wash these brushes afterwards anyway. All done. Yeah? You gonna do more? You really like the blush, huh? Okay.
It's in the cheek.
It's on my cheek. You know what? You loved this part last time. Wanna do highlighter?
Yep.
Okay.
Highlighter. Highlighter.
Highlighter.
Highlighter.
Oh, that was good, Parky. Yay.
I'll do round. You do round.
Nice. Oh,
Hey,
nice.
Mommy.
Wow.
Hey, wake up. Hey.
Here, how about a little bit of shoulder highlight? 'Cause I think we might as well, you know? Oh, you know what? Mommy forgot to get a lip gloss.
I love Mommy's makeup.
You love Mommy's makeup?
Yeah.
I did not think you were going to be into this, Parker. This
Don't
was...
touch it, Mommy. Don't touch it.
Don't touch my makeup?
Yeah.
Am I going to mess it up?
Yeah.
Parker's afraid I'm going to mess up my makeup. Who wants to put on my lip gloss?
Yay! In the lip mouse.
You want to get some more in there? What do we think? Should we do some setting spray?
Yep. Spray.
What is it?
It's spray.
Setting spray?
I'll open. Yep, it is.
Oh.
I'll do it.
Okay, you want to try? There we go. Are we all done, boys? We're not all done?
Yep. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching.
Thank you. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up.
Please subscribe to Mommy's channel. Please have Mommy's channel.
Please subscribe to my channel.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye. You gonna say bye?
Bye. I love makeup. See you next time.
See you next time. We lost a Grayson. We lost.
See the Parker. Whoa.
Whoa.
I got.
You have schmutzies on your face.
Okay.
Okay.
I love this.
You love this?
Yep. I'm a saver spot.
Turn them off.